Hi everyone and welcome to the first episode in this series. I'll be covering everything you need to know to get started with NextJS and create your own projects. This is a hands-on course where you can follow along coding. We'll be building a simple movie app while covering the core concepts of NextJS, and you will be able to publish it at the end of the course. Before I dive any deeper, let's take some time to look at what NextJS is and what it can offer. NextJS is a React framework that aims to have the best developer experience and also comes with many built-in features, such as page-based routing, pre-rendering, including both static generation and server-side rendering, more on that later, image optimization, fast refresh, TypeScript support, and many more. Pre-rendering is one of the key features that make NextJS truly a powerful framework. Let's see what pre-rendering is and what it does under the hood. By default, NextJS pre-renders every page. This means that NextJS generates the HTML needed for each page in advance, instead of having it all done by client-side JavaScript. This results in better performance and CEO. There are two forms of pre-rendering: static generation and server-side rendering. The difference between them is when NextJS generates the HTML for that page. For static generation, which is always recommended when possible, HTML is generated at build time and will be reused on each request. For server-side rendering, the HTML will be generated on each request. Each HTML file from the pre-rendered pages comes with minimal JavaScript necessary for that page. When the page is loaded, the JavaScript code gets executed and makes the page fully interactive. This process is called hydration. For now, this is everything you need to know to get started with NextJS. I'll dive deeper into the other concepts whenever I will be making use of them. Now, let's set up everything we need to get started. First off, be sure to install the latest stable version of Node.js. And it must be above 12.22. You can check if you have Node installed by opening up the command prompt and typing in node-v. If it's installed, the Node version on your computer will appear on the screen. Secondly, you will need an IDE. My personal preference is VS Code, which you can download from here. The links to everything you need to download will be in the video description down below. That's all you need to get started. Let's create the base NextJS project. Open up VS Code and select the folder in which you'd like to create the project. Personally, I will create my project here. I will name my folder NextJS and click Select Folder. After that, go to the command prompt in VS Code by going up here and clicking on Terminal and then a new terminal, or by pressing Ctrl+ on your keyboard and type in npx create next app at latest NextJS movies --TypeScript. Here, NextJS movies is the name of the folder where the Next.js app will be created. The flag TypeScript indicates that we're going to be using TypeScript in this project. Now that the files have been created, type in the following commands to run the project locally: cd Next.js movies, and then npm run dev. To view the project, go to localhost 3000 or press Ctrl-click on the URL that appears in the command prompt. If everything went as expected, we should see the base NextJS project running. All of the content on the page was automatically created when we run the scripts, and it can be edited. Let's make a change to see fast refresh in action. The content of the main page is situated in the pages/index.tsx file. Here you can edit anything and it will be updated instantly on the browser without the need to refresh. Be sure to save the file and have the development server running. As you can see, the browser updated instantly. That's fast refresh in action. We have instant feedback on any change we make in our files. In the next episode, we'll take a look at navigation in NextJS and how to have multiple pages in our app. Tune in for the next episode to learn more. See you there.